to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be playing around with 3 different eyeshadow palettes from Revolution, and that's going to be the Forever Flawless Constellation palette, Revolution, and the Roxy Color Burst eyeshadow palette, the Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette. Reasons because the color I'm trying to use, or the color I want to actually use today, are in these 3 palettes, and I can literally just mix all colors to come out with a look which I intend doing, and I hope it turns out cute. Yes. Okay, so we'll just go ahead now and prep our eyes with our, with our Prolong Wear Paint Pot from MAC. A beauty blender, I'll just go ahead and blend out everything to be even all over my eyes. So to set my eyes, I'll be going in with my NC45 foundation. Transition color, I'll be going it with the Revolution collaboration with Roxy in the shade Bang Bang, and it's going to be this shade right here. That's my transition color because it has this orange like color. For my inner crease, I'm going to be mixing 2 colors, and that's going to be one from the Forever Flawless Constellation palette, which is this shade right here called Mars. And then I'll be using the next one called Red Velvet from the Roxy palette. I'll just go in now with this blending brush and try to blend out all the colors together so they are merged and you don't see those separations between each of the colors. Not so much, just very lightly. So guys, I went ahead and created a halo kind of a look. Well, halo kind of a look. Yes, and this is how it looks like. I will just go ahead now and apply my eyeliner and my eyelashes. We are back. Lashes on, eyeliner is on. We move to the next step, and that's our beautiful lips. So yeah guys, this is our finished look. I think I'm going to call this the burgundy halo eyeshadow look, or a red velvet eyeshadow look. I can't really figure out which one, but whatever I see on the title is what it's all about. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It was fun creating this. This could be like, you know, lunch kind of look, or even a dinner date. You can go in with nude lip gloss or with a reddish matte lipstick, you know, just to make it a little bit smart, soft. But I'm loving this new lip gloss from Revolution, so I decided to try it out too, and it's really beautiful. We've come to the end of this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching, and if you did, please do make sure to subscribe, and to my new subscribers, you're very much welcome. I hope you enjoy watching all my videos or what I've created up to now, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section if you're new. And yes, if you don't mind, you can equally like and share the videos, and yes, I'll definitely see you in my next video, one of these ones. Alright guys, bye bye.